Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about graphing linear inequalities. So graphing linear inequalities is very similar to graphing regular lines, except we have to do either a dashed or a solid line, and we have to shade on one side of the line. So when we deal with inequalities, we usually do open or closed circles for points. When we're dealing with lines, we have either open or closed lines, but it's either dashed or solid. So when we were dealing with regular inequalities, I'm going to draw this over here to the side. If I had greater than or less than, that would be an open circle. On these, it's going to be a dashed line, okay? When we have greater than or equal to and less than or equal to, that's a closed circle. That's going to be a solid line. So when we graph these, that's what we have to do based on the symbol, okay? So we have y is greater than negative 2x minus 3. So we take the negative 2, we put it over 1. We begin with negative 3. So we go down to 3. And then I go down to right 1 to plot my next point. Okay. Then we look at our inequality symbol here. And that tells us two things. It tells us whether it's dashed or solid and whether I shade above or below. So first thing I look for is that line underneath. That tells me it's a solid line. Okay. Then y is greater than or equal to, so I'm going to shade above the line. So all this shaded region is the answer to this inequality. This inequality, the answer is not just a line. It's a series of points which are represented in that yellow shaded area. Okay. For the next one, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to go to negative 4, plot our point. Then I'm going to go up to the 3 and right 2. And then on this one, because my inequality symbol doesn't have the line underneath, I'm going to draw a dashed line. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I need to be able to see that it's dashed. And then y is greater than. So greater than is where the y-axis points up. So I'm going to shade on that side of the line. So we're going to shade over here. Okay, and that's how you graph linear inequalities. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.